Creation of Iya Elepo Part 6. Last lesson we did the following. We removed the encoded password values while creating a new customer. Happy New Year to you all. In today's lesson, we shall achieve the following. We shall data bind the gender ID drop-down on the Add Customer screen. Second, we shall customize the Edit Customer screen. So first of all, I kickstart the lesson by opening Radzen. So the next thing I'm going to do is to double click the Iya Elepo app to open it. Okay, so now I'm going to close the congratulations dialog. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to search for the add customer page by searching for customer related stuff. So this is the Add Customer page. I'll double click on it to open it.
What is this? No. Oh, no, don't worry, just come this way.
So now, the next thing I'm going to do is to data bind gender ID property to gender drop down. So I'll look for gender drop down. Here is the gender drop down. I'll select it. Then I'll go to properties. Right now the value is empty, so I'll click on the link to data bind the property. So I click on the link and I'm going to choose gender ID, which is one of the page properties we created earlier on. Then I'll click OK. So I'll click OK. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to double click on Edit Customer to open it. So this is Edit Customer. Now we are going to add in some controls from the Add Customer page. So I go back to Add Customer page and let me click on the gender label. After clicking on gender label, I'll click on outline. I will select the row that contains gender label and all the controls in it. I will select the row that contains password label and all the controls in it. Likewise, I will select the row that contains confirm password control label and all the controls in it. After that, I will right click in outline window, then I'll click on copy. Then I will now go back, double click on Edit Customer page, and in the outline window I'll look for Form 0. Now I'll right click on Form 0 and I'll click on paste so that I can paste those controls that I copied. Now these are the controls that I've copied. Now the next thing I will do is I want to change the position of the button. I'm now going to copy that row. I will now copy that row. Then I'll click on cut. So after cutting the row, I will now go to Form 0. I will right click on Form 0. I'll right click on Form 0. Then I'll click on paste. Now, having pasted the control, the next thing I will now do is I'll click on the gender drop down. I'll go to properties. Now, since this is a pasted control, I will need to configure the data property again. So I'll clean this place. That's the data property. Then I'll go back. I'll click on name. Then under operation, I will look for the operation that has to do with genders. So I'm going to select get genders. Then I'll click save. Now I'll go to outline. After going to outline, I'll click on page. I'll click on events. I'll go to the load event. I'll add a new event handler. And I'm going to choose set property as the event type. And I'm going to create on this page another property called gender ID. I'll set the initial value to 0, which is an integer. Then again, I'll select gender ID drop down. Then I'll data bind the value to gender ID, which is int. Then I click OK. Now we have a value called user password, which we have actually not created on this page. So I'll copy this. After copying it, I'll go back to outline. I'll go to page events again. So I'll create a new event handler. The type is set property and the name is user password. Initial value will be empty string. Then I'll click done. Likewise, I'll go back to the confirm password control. I'll copy this property name, confirm user password. We have actually not created this property on this edit customer page. So I'll go to page events again. I'll click on page. I'll click on events. I'll click on the load event. Then I'll click the add event handler button. I'm going to set another property again on this page. Now that property is confirm user password. The initial value is empty string. I'll click done. So I'm going to click on done now. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open Visual Studio 2022. So I click on the icon for Visual Studio 2022 on the desktop and I'll click run as administrator. In user account control, I'll click on yes. You can see Visual Studio 2022 is already open. So now I'm going to double click on the link for the iLepo app solution. So I've double clicked on the link. The project is already open. You can see the message that says the web project meta targets.NET Framework 4.0, which is no longer supported. Anyway, I'm going to click on do not load this project. So then I click continue. So now the project is open. I'll go to Solution Explorer. Then I'm going to open edit customer.trezor. So I'll double click on edit customer.trezor.cs to open it. So now I'm going to create a new method. So now
buy football. Why you getting that? You go buy. You cook food your own way. I told you what you like food. Everything is there.
Because see, this place is like,
Alright, everybody take 5. We'll come back to the conclusion.
I don't know you're putting up over there. Guys, I don't have one. Okay, I'm not sorry. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, now. I thought you were supposed to pay your house rent. Yes, it was supposed to actually.
Some of this approach is sweet.
Success said you should steal it, and you used it to buy iPhone. Yes, now. So what will now happen to your house? I spoke to the landlord. He gave me until Tuesday to get the house rent. But Tuesday is too. How do you intend to get it? Don't worry, I'm expecting my somebody tomorrow. But there's a problem. There's no Gucci girl like someone. Like, it's very fine. It's expensive. But I want to buy it. How much? 300,000. That's very expensive. Well, I'm thinking of using the one how much?
First, we update customer object.
300,000. And you want to use all the money to buy one bill. Then how do you intend to pay your house rent? Don't worry, when another person sends me money, I will use to pay it. What if nobody else sends you money? I'm on Instagram now, sure. But wait, are you wishing me bad luck? No, I'm not wishing you bad luck. I'm just saying.
That's it, that's it.
So, yes, it's inside. Sorry, please excuse me. I want to ask you a question. See, someone's about to send me $300,000. I need to be out of the money. But there's no
Chibe.
what do you think I should? Should I pay my house rent or buy it?
Gucci belts.
Yes.
What do you think it's real? As in, like, how much are you expecting again?
300,000.
It's something now. Use money to pay your house rent. Then another money come. Buy a Gucci belt.
The Gucci belt is 300. Yes? You don't talk to someone. You are wise. You say you know how to talk.
So excited! Holy smokes! Look at Elsa's Giganto sandwich! Val's regular shredular burger! Henrina's, can I even call that a burger? It's tiny! Val is ready to lunch. I see Val notice Elsa's Sammy. It's bigger than her head! It'll take days to eat that thing! Suddenly, a sign appears. The girls must eat their food in one bite. Easy peasy. This is gonna be tough, Val. You got it! Woo! You got skill, girl. Elsa, I quit while you're ahead. Idea! Elsa sets down the burger and pushes it to Val's medium side. Smart. Now, one more section over. Tiny size. Now this should be a piece of cake. Elsa outsmarted the competition. Down the house she goes. But as she walks back to the big side, the burger follows the section. Dang, that's gonna be a heck of a tummy ache. This is hilarious. Ladies, you ready? Oh, heck yes. Chocolate spread. From Elsa's tiny can to Rena's larger than life tub. Oh, Els, don't be sad. It'll school is not a bad place to be. But being here, it's a bit better. Yeah, delicious.
On the wrong. Awesome.
The girls want spoons. But they do not. That's the size of their face.
These guys are rough. What's the noise? What's this? Milkshakes. Can I try to
Val's normal size spoon matches their tub. But Rena's spoon will take hours to even get sent in her spread. The girls are all digging in. It's so tasty. Let's watch me from her snacks. This is gonna be a long day. Dig in, Rena. Elsa says forget it. Who needs silverware? Meanwhile, Rena makes the toast. Get us some napkins. This sure is good. Rena ditches her spoon and dive. Jeez, girl. I think it's time to reconsider a spoon. The girls watch in shock before Elsa offers her giant spoon. But I'm afraid the damage has already been done. Oh man, big isn't always better. Yeah, cotton candy. Cool. Danny and a small cotton candy. Hey, it's something. Still hungry? Now on to Blondie's medium-sized cotton candy. And of course it tastes good. I mean, it's sugar. What are you up to, Cal? A glass of water? Why are you stretching it up like that? Cool. It dissolves so fast. Now you have a Korean cotton candy drink. Hey, don't forget to stop. Watch this. That's a lot of cotton candy. Smush it down.
Okay.
She's making a pizza. Looks good. Whoa! You're magically reversing it TikTok style. Add this to it. Yes, another layer. Time for some candy toppings. Wow, this is going to be the best colorful cotton candy pizza ever. Wait, Nick Kelly has a marshmallow contribution. Dig in. How does it taste, girl? Val sure is happy. Dan's it. Oh, I hope somebody says yum. What's next? Can't wait. Donuts. Yes, please. Elsa is missing out with her tiny snack. Darn. Val is smack dab in the middle. What's he gonna do?
So let's briefly look at this method.
Marina's
I've created this method earlier on.
Val is savoring her sweet deliciousness.
So
And no, Elsa, you can't have a bite. Sorry.
click on it and say go to implementation.
No from Marina.
So this is the method.
Bite-sized goodness. It's even good.
Inside the file called from dataservice.custom.
Holy smokes! It's the donut ride! And your donut groom, Danny! This is all because Elsa put the donut on her ring finger! What a happy accident! Without the ring, she has
So
no
back to
room.
this.
Wait, Eve, you just met him! Girls, haven't you ever heard stranger danger? Whoa! Hey there, friends! Stacy's small, Mark's large, and Elsa's medium. Cool! Open up! Come on! Oh, wow! Check out this ice cream cake. A mini masterpiece. extra too. Holy, Steve, this is what all that's left to do is snip, snip. Need to perfection. What a maze! Just for one guy, Amina has created a whole meal. Now it's time to... Ooh, what a little cutie! Stacy doesn't even mind. Squeeze a good little candy. Mark, go boy! Large where? Large here! Nice, Mark. Huge humongous. You got it? Wowee. Let's get some yummies out. Kiwi or dinosaur? Seriously though, this thing is big. Go on, hi, and check it. Lots of little candies too. You are a lucky boy. Those little candies are 10 times what Stacy got in her box. So jealous. Poor girls can only dream of such sweet treats. Hey, let's see those cards. Val got small, totally messy. And it's gonna take Elsa forever. You think Val can do it in a minute? What about Rita? Dang! Keep going, girls. You've got this thing. Time's a ticking. Don't think, just eat. Done. Huh? Elsa? I am equally scared and confused. How on earth did you finish that? Elsa's cake was totally huge. Ugh, not fair. Bye-bye. Elsa reveals her secret. That cardboard cutout won you the challenge. Whoopsie. You still got that pen? Let's draw a glass of water and a fire extinguisher while you're at it. 3 trays. You go. Oh, they got our seat.
Let's navigate to this page.
Lots of lollies. Oh, well. Forget that. Look, that thing is
Tommy!
like gigantic, enormous. Amazing. Amina, you have to try this bad boy out. Yummy strawberry layers.
Fine, what was
That's
it?
a 5-star treat. Denny's got a thought.
Tommy,
Hazelnut spread.
it was too late. Tommy,
Sprinkles. Those lollies. Yum. Denny is happy as a clam.
Now I'll go back to Rising.
It's time.
Click on it
Now for the
custom.
sprinkles.
Go to outline. I'll look for form 0. I'll go to the events for it. I will change the submit events. I'll change it from book data source to fix share. Paste the name of the custom method I want, which is update customize. Click done.
Amina creates a bunch of tiny lollies from the big one. The perfect trade-off.
Next to
Now
that,
she can dip to her heart's
the
content.
all breadcrumbs is deleted.
Sprinkle telecombo.
So now, let me run the app. So click on look at it.
She's gonna complete Nutella. This looks amazing.
Okay. So I log in as admin. Username, password is also admin. So I click login. Okay, so now we are directed to the customers list page. Before I proceed further, let me put a breakpoint on line 13. So now, let me double click on John Thomas record. So now, let me select it. Let me select the gender and the password. I'm changing to password underscore 27. Confirm password. Confirm password. I change to password underscore 27. Yeah, so I click save. So here F10. Okay, so customer update result is not known. Customer ID is greater than 0. Get existing user object. This is the existing user object. So the user object is deleted. We create a new user, a new application user. The application user is successfully created. We update the first name, property. Line 56 show you error, so I'm going to modify it. Well, to modify it, I'm going to open Management Studio. Right click on Management Studio and I'll choose Open from the context menu.
We're going to give our speech together. I have some help from my brother James, from Vivian, and Cleo, Hildegard, Cesar, Tim, June, Maya, Holly, Desmond, Sophie.
So now I'll click on it. I'll right click on here and look for activity. I'll select new query from the context menu. So I'm going to say create procedure, update application user into at user ID and data 450 as then I click on the empty space. I'll say design query in editor. Pick the ASP.NET user style. These are the fields I want to update into update username, first name. Sorry, I'm not updating username. Now I'll right click, I'll change type to update.
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our application video recipe channel application.
The new value for this I'll set it to at first name. So the stored procedure is created. Now I'm going to comment this page, this line 56. I will change it to await data dot update ASP.NET user into. I'll still passing the parameters I've passing before.
那条水晶呢？去在做呢。再做两次这个。Let it fresh. Let it. mo fẹ́ wọ school mẹ́ ìwọ́n ti ó sì lè tẹ̀lé ṣé ń jíjẹ lọ́wọ́ mo school yẹn almost 200,000.
Ìbùkún close the door.
Samuel. It's not done. Very soon to know. It's still hard. It's not done. Mele, see, before 2 weeks before you're doing that. Hello. Mama. Gbele di fún mi lẹ.
stop making noise. I'm doing something here. I'm recording something.
Elena, what happened? I tried my best to Sophia, but I couldn't get the spell right, and she usually has the family now. She has my family? I'm so sorry.
There she is. Archie, block your arrows. Whoa! They're shooting arrows! Evasive action! Dodge and weave!
Yeah, we could do that. Or we could just get on out of here. We can go to my place. Great, hang on.
Hope they're okay.
This is not okay. Where is Sophia?
I will get us out of here, and we will find Sophia. The prisoners are secure, Chancellor Esteban. Those prisoners are royalty. We will keep them as such. Yes, Chancellor. It's another list.
So Princess Elena lives.
Apparently so.
She's the rightful heir to the throne. We should be helping her.
But what do you suggest we do? Find the queen? Do it.
Elena's your cousin, Esteban.
I heard grandparents raised me like a son, and I think about what happened to them every day. Sophia, you will truly blame me. I'm wrong.
Okay. So let's run the app again. So I'll click on the play button. So I'll double click on John Thomas record. That's good.
Anyway, nothing to you do.
Safe.
Hey, me, I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening. I'm listening. 50 years, I'm a female.
Right. So,
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
with financial strength.
No, but I'm so 90. I'm 90 girls and I'm not sure what it's 90. What's that? Really, my boy. But yeah, I'm feeling thank you. Manda que é boa chamada.
But
É uma família, ela viu. Não, uma família.
it was not supplied.
Eu assim. Puxa bem. Ele foi aqui, mas ele é uma filhinha bem. Ele é uma filhinha bem, assim. That's a new thing, not so good.
So, password underscore 29.
Hello, everyone. We can't wait to know what you've been doing since our last video show. Tell us about your week and the feeling about you. She's not a liar. She's jealous of Lila because she's got such an age.
So,
I miss you guys so much. It's so hard being away on this guys. I protect so far from my friends and especially on Zero. Mara, what this year are you planning on this special
okay. So finally, let me check this. So that does the. So we are at the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.
And how do you know?